your paycheck arrives. And just like that, it's gone. No big purchases, no luxury splurges, yet your bank balance is shrinking. The truth? There are silent money leaks hiding in your daily routine, draining your wallet without you even noticing. Today, we're exposing 10 everyday expenses that are secretly making you broke, and how to cut them before they cut your savings. Let's get started. 1. Subscription overload. Streaming services, music apps, fitness memberships, they seem cheap individually, but together they can eat away hundreds every year. And the sneaky part? Many auto-renew without you noticing. To solve this problem of subscription, audit your subscriptions every 3 months. Keep only the ones you actually use. 2. Daily coffee runs. Yes, that $5 latte feels harmless, until you do the math. 1 cup a day equals $150 a month, that's over $1,800 a year. Making coffee at home can save you thousands without giving up caffeine entirely. Tip: invest in a good coffee maker. Your future self will thank you. 3. Unused gym memberships. Many people sign up for the gym in January, full of motivation, but by March, attendance drops. Yet the monthly payment still comes out. Tip: if you're not going at least twice a week, cancel it and try home workouts or outdoor activities. 4. Impulse online shopping. Flash sales, only 3 left. Banners, and one-click checkouts are designed to get you spending instantly. Those $20, $50 impulse buys add up fast. Tip: use the 24-hour rule. If you still want it tomorrow, then consider buying it. 5. Eating out too often. Ordering takeout 3 times a week might not feel excessive, but the delivery fees and tips quickly add up. Cooking at home just half the time could save you hundreds per month. Tip: meal prep on Sundays. It's cheaper, faster, and healthier. Narrator transition. These first 5 money leaks are easy to spot once you look closely, but the next 5 are even sneakier, and they might be the reason your savings account feels stuck at 0. 6. Bank fees. ATM charges, overdraft fees, and maintenance fees are pure profit for banks, and pure loss for you. Tip: switch to a no-fee account or use only your bank's ATMs. 7. Unused or underused apps. From photo editing apps to language learning programs, many charge small monthly fees that are easy to forget about. Tip: do an app audit. Delete and cancel the ones you haven't used in the last 30 days. 8. Driving everywhere. Fuel costs, parking fees, and wear and tear on your car can drain your budget more than you think. Tip: carpool, use public transport, or walk when possible. It's good for your wallet and your health. 9. Energy waste. Leaving lights on, keeping devices plugged in, and running the AC or heater unnecessarily all increase your utility bills. Solve this problem by using energy-efficient bulbs, smart plugs, and turn off what you're not using. 10. Brand loyalty. Sticking to expensive brands just because can cost you hundreds more than buying quality store brand products. Solution to this is try the cheaper version once, you might be surprised. Small leaks can sink big ships, and your wallet is no different. By tackling just a few of these expenses, you could save thousands each year. Which one are you cutting first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money tips, and start keeping more of what you earn.